Hey guys, just got to our Airbnb. It's off of the James River in Virginia, and I'm going to show you a little house tour. Alright guys, so this is our living room. We hung out in here a lot, watched a whole bunch of movies when it was raining the other day. Really pretty. Looks out into the lake. And then our nice kitchen. Alright, and I'll show you guys through the bedrooms down here. We have this one. We didn't use these ones. We used a nice one upstairs with the view. It's that one. Then we have this little one that's cute. The lights and all. And then our one bathroom that we did use. Very pretty. Super cute in here. And that was it for the bedrooms down here. Alright, and now I'll take you guys upstairs to the best bedroom. Okay, so this is where we slept. Super pretty. We already undid the bed, so it's not as nice right now. Super cute, and the view is definitely the best part of it. Okay, now time to go outside. Where you can go fishing, kayaking, and jet skiing off of. Alright, and that is everything for our tour of the place for today. We're gonna go head out to the breweries now. Hey guys, we are heading to Aleworks Brewing Company in Virginia. It looked like it had a bunch of good drinks on there. So we'll see how it is and we'll let you know afterwards. Bye! Just got done with Aleworks. It was good. They had a lot of drinks on there that I liked. We both got plates. The pumpkin one was good. I got a 6-pack of that, and Kenny got a 6-pack of the white something.
Wheat ale.
White wheat ale. Okay guys, we're sadly leaving the house today, and now we're gonna go head back home.